Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Hamilton, and today I'm going to talk to you about a project that is very much under the radar, but they are backed by many giants in the crypto space. So, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice, but this is a project that I believe has massive upside potential. So, without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this is De.Fi. These guys are all over the place when it comes to the back end of crypto. When it comes to analytics, they provide stuff for CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and stuff like this, right? But they also work with all of the wallets out there. They also work with many of the top 5 exchanges and all of the chains that most people use throughout crypto as well. These guys are in communication and networking with pretty much the entire crypto space. And what we will say with this is they are releasing something very soon. In fact, they're releasing something tomorrow, which has massive upside potential for this coin. And what I will say about this coin is, yes, it is the DeFi coin. We can see it is only a 36 million market cap right now, and when you have this many connections in the crypto space, it is something where that is heavily undervalued. When you look at other projects with this many connections and this big of an ecosystem, then yeah, you expect those projects to be in the billions, right? So for me, this is a massive win, and I'm going to explain why. First, we have their partners. We can see that these guys are backed by big names in the crypto space, right? So we've got Huobi Ventures, we've got DeFi Capital, big VC funds out there, as well as OKX Blockchain Ventures as well. So huge across the board from the investment side, okay, and they do have angel investors as well, such as Tyler Wu, such as Justin Lee, which is one of the guys that founded Coinbase, okay, and many people behind major blockchain exchanges, major blockchains as well. They've also got exchange investors here, OKX, Mexi, and a few others, Bitmart included in there as well. So these guys are pretty much backed by a lot of the big names in the crypto industry, and you can see here some of the big influencers are also behind these guys, including the Moon Kyle, which you guys know is a huge name. So yeah, just in terms of the investment, the networking, the ecosystem right now, these guys are really on top of it, and yes, criminally undervalued market cap. If we go over to their Twitter here, guys, we can see that they have 300,000 followers. All right, you can see all of these, a ConsenSys backing them as well, and it was founded in 2020, so they've just literally been building for 5 years straight, waiting for this bull market, and now they're about to release a product that I'm going to talk to you guys about in a minute. And if you want to check out their Twitter, guys, be sure to head to the description. I will put a link there. Super easy to find as well. They literally just have the DeFi at. And one thing I will say about these guys, just generally, they do have a lot of funding, right? And the reason for this, you can see that they have a very rare domain name. Their domain name is D.Fi. Simple as that. That's it. That's the domain name. And the Twitter name they acquired, which was obviously DeFi, which would be a very hard name to get. So yeah, in terms of credibility, in terms of genuinity, these guys are definitely on top of the game. They've acquired the right things. They've made the right partners. They're definitely something that is, again, super undervalued. They're just about to release something tomorrow. You can see right here, 13th of the 12th, which is tomorrow, or today if you are watching this when this is released. And yeah, just massive potential for this coin. If we're looking at their API side, guys, you can see that they are used by all of the big names in cryptos, giving them a lot of power, giving them a lot of bargaining chips when using these guys when it comes to marketing, when it comes to getting this coin out there in front of the public to be one of these next billion-dollar coins. We can see CoinGecko use them, Gecko Terminal, ConsenSys, all right, pretty much most of the block scanner networks out there use these guys' APIs. And the reason for this is just because they are very good at analytics. These guys do analytics so well. We'll get to their dashboard in a minute, you can see here. But yeah, just one of the best ones out there when it comes to actually scanning the blockchain, figuring things out, getting all that data processed, and then putting it into a format that is digestible for a dev or for a crypto user. They also do antivirus and a lot of shielding in terms of crypto security. We can see here some of the testimonials just from some of the big names that are backing them as well. So we've got the former Binance chain director, okay, put a very nice testimonial here. Okay, we've got head of DeFi at Polygon Labs, which is one of the main blockchains when it comes to DeFi and earning from decentralized finance. We've got from Mata Labs here, Marco Cora says, we're excited to see security-specific deployments such as D.Fi making their way to the ZK Sync era, right? So yes, these guys are all over the space, and that definitely includes security, and these are huge names in the crypto space that are actually giving these guys props, showing the world that these guys that are actually giving these guys props. They also did a conference recently here, guys. This was in Bangkok, and this was on the 11th of November. We can see that they had 1,000 attendees, 50 plus speakers, and yes, they had people from over 50 countries representing them as well. This was actually promoted on Forbes, Blockworks, Wall Street Journal, Business Insider, and Investing.com. These are huge names in the crypto industry, but not just the crypto industry, the finance industry in general. So when we're looking at VCs, when we're looking at the people that are getting in from Wall Street, then they will have seen this project. It will definitely be on their radar, and we now have the chance to potentially buy it, particularly with this announcement tomorrow. When it comes to listings, guys, you can see that they are listed on all of the major exchanges. In fact, they are listed on 17 of the largest exchanges, which is pretty much all of them out there that you can find this coin on. So if you are looking to get this coin, very easy to do so. You can do it on your exchange, but you can also use our links in the description if you are interested in that. And now let's talk about their announcement a little bit, right? So you can see on their banner here on their Twitter, literally today or tomorrow, guys, they are going to be announcing something that is massive. I do have a good idea of what this is. I'm going to explain why, but you can see this is on their Twitter. People are getting ready for this massive engagement on this, right? 178,000 impressions, 500 likes, 200 retweets, and 166 comments on this tweet. So yes, this is known. This is going to be something that will be driving that coin forward. And now let's talk about what I think this actually is. So I've been looking at their roadmap, guys. And yeah, their roadmap is pretty complicated. There's a lot of things on here that they've been doing over the past few years, okay? But what I want to focus on here today is this, the DeFi AI assistant, okay? So AI agents are massive in the crypto space right now. So an AI assistant that's going to help track portfolios, it's going to help with different wallet activities, and it's going to help trade for you, essentially. These AI agents are going to be massive in the future, and yes, we are seeing this reported on by places like Forbes, right? You can see AI agents behind AI Meme Coin Frenzy. Again, there were these meme coin AI agents that just traded and made meme coins and literally turned over tens of millions of dollars within a few weeks. So yeah, we're seeing this already happen. So the fact that these guys are releasing one, and again, we are seeing this reported in a magazine by Cointelegraph, and we're seeing it reported by exchanges like Gate.io here, saying the new focus is these Web3 AI agents. So yes, definitely something that is out there. It is on the radar, and the fact that these guys have it on their roadmap is huge, and it is something that I think has a lot of potential here. If they do release this, this could be something that drives this coin up ridiculously, and that is why I'm investing in this coin. And that is why I'm investing in this coin. And we're even seeing some AI agents categories come up on things like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko here, right? So top AI agent coins by market cap is an actual category on CoinGecko. So we can imagine these guys actually popping up here very soon. And the fact that they have all that backing, the fact that they are providing data for websites like CoinGecko, then yes, I imagine these guys will be just flying up this list, climbing the ladder incredibly quickly here. And these guys, they're not just releasing that. Obviously, they're releasing that tomorrow. Hopefully, I think that is the announcement, and that's why I bought it, right? But they also have a lot of very good products out here, right? This is the dashboard for them, and we can see here they do have just the general crypto market, okay? They have, basically, they scan every coin, every blockchain. They look at the liquidity, they look at the volume, they look at everything, and they also look at the risk metrics here as well. So you can see smart contract risks. Maybe some of them have more risks than others, but it's important to actually have a site like this out there that can provide that data, provide those analytics to websites like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and a few others of this kind of same. If we are going here, we can see Scanner, and we've got Shield as well. Shield will essentially be able to run security detectors for each contract, token, and NFT for approval based on a wallet. Okay, so you could actually scan someone's wallet and then have a risk warning, not just for the wallet itself and the owner of that wallet, but a risk warning for the coins and the NFTs and the protocols that are associated, but you could have a risk profile for the protocols and the projects and the exchanges associated with that wallet as well. They also track crypto hacks, as you can see here. So we've got lost and recovered funds, and something like this really does help when it comes to people losing money on, say, like Luna, like we had the last cycle, right? And then how much has been recovered. They can actually scan the blockchain. They can figure out where the money goes. They can also help authorities find that money and return it back to the owners. And we're seeing this just demonstrated fantastically by these guys with their analytics system. So in summary here, guys, De.Fi is probably one of the most integrated things that is super undervalued with a coin out there in the blockchain space, in the crypto space, and they've got all of these fantastic products when it comes to scanning the blockchain, when it comes to security databases, when it comes to aggregating, right? These guys provide all of this for the big platforms, and they provide it on their own platform as well. So when it comes to a coin's value, the reason why I'm buying this is because of all of that, right? But it's also because they are making a huge announcement tomorrow. I think it is going to be an AI agent. When they have this many fingers in this many pies, having an AI agent that can essentially figure out what's going on across the entire blockchain and trade for you and find the best DeFi strategies for you. Something like that for me is massive, and that is something that, one, I will be using, but two, will be throwing that token price up, in my opinion anyway, towards the moon. So that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.